everyone, this is Priya. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing very well. Okay, so today we'll talk about that why SQL is damn easy compared with Python or Java. Why? Okay, so for simplicity of purpose, SQL is designed specifically for managing and querying database. Okay, making it more focused and straightforward for those tasks. Okay, Python and Java are general purpose languages. Python and Java are general purpose languages with a wider range of application. Okay, and what about second point? Declarative language. SQL is declarative language, which means you describe the desired outcome and the database engine figures out how to achieve it. This is often simpler than the imperative nature of Python and Java, where you need to specify step by step instruction. Okay, third, less code. SQL requires are typically shorter than equivalent code in Python or Java. This can make SQL seem easier, especially for simple database operation. And fourth, structure handling. SQL is optimized for working with structured data in database. That's why SQL is much more easy compared with Python or Java. Hope you all are like my video. If you really like, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Stay connected. I'll be back with another more important content. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.